Today we are gonna see that how we can add our fingerprint lock in HP Ultra Core Ultra 7 Intercore Ultra 7. First we will go over here, then we will type here setting. After going to settings, we will go to privacy and security. एक second. इधर synchronize the password. किधर गया? पॉज करिए.
चलो करो करो देखते हैं. फिंगर एस से आता है.
नहीं.
गो टू साइन इन ऑप्शंस.
ये रहा.
बोलिए.
And now we'll go to the fingerprint recognition. There is already a fingerprint added. If you want to remove this, you click on remove. If you want this to add fingerprint, add. Get started and put the pin, and then put the fingerprint onto the sensor. For to move, lift up and then touch it back. Do this until it's completed. All set. And then just close it, and now I will lock the laptop, and now we will test it out. Thank you.